algemeen water met het slecht.
For moving the boat, we are busy putting the motor back together. Gonna do the head, water pump. What else will we be doing? Changing the oil. Okay, we got the head back about a week and a half ago. Just when we got the boat, they said it overheated. So we took the head off to see if everything was okay. Seems like there was no crack in it or any big damage to it. We took it to the engineers to be recon, and now we're gonna put it back.
start. Ons sit vast.
Zit in het vaart?
Dit is bevokvlakkie so. Dus ek moet net sowel ons nie op ons eie uitvind nie. Ons is vast gesit.
Zit in het vaart?
Ja, ons probeer afkom. Ons kyk so bietjie. So lyk soos 'n modderbank wat hier onder is. Maar daar draai ons nou. So ons behoort nou in te kom. Waar gaan ons? Ons is weer los.
Van wie jij?
Ek Chris en Dylan.
Oh, dank. Okay, what happened that day is we were rushed for time. We wanted to move the boat. There wasn't a lot of filming taking place. We captured what we could. The tide was low, tide was busy going out, but unfortunately halfway through the guys got stuck. They started beautifully off, no problems at all, but just when they came into the channel, the tide was too low and they got a bit stuck. They got stuck twice. They decided to turn around because at that moment it started raining as well and it poured down. It was getting dark, so we were just looking for trouble. They decided to rather turn around and come back. It was a little bit of a disaster of a day. Everything just turned against us, but they got a beautiful sunset moment there. Okay, today's the day that we finally hopefully gonna move the boat after about going for 5 weeks that we are delayed due to wind, the tide, just not having the right time. So today we're gonna go move the boat. in this last video, it gave us a chance after moving the boat to sit down and thought what happened through the whole progress, and seeing that sometimes things happen for a reason and you shouldn't push something. The reason that we pushed was to get the boat out of the marina because we were paying double cost. We still paid the marina while the boat was there, and we paid the swing mooring, which was costing us a lot of money. But yet again, as you guys can see, we took all safety measures as we went through. The day that we finally moved, the water was calm, the tide was busy going out, but we just scored it. There was only John and Chris that helped us to move the boat, where with the other two attempts, we had friends that helped us with his boat, which was a failure. And then the second time we had a buddy boat and two more people to help us, but then the weather turned against us. We really appreciate everybody's views and everybody's support. I hope our videos help other people to gain the confidence to just start a dream and do it, although it will never go as planned. Just start it, go for it, enjoy it, learn out of all the mistakes. Since we started doing the whole sailing progress, we have learned so much and much more to learn. We wish everybody on our YouTube channel stays with us and gets to know us better, and stays with our sailing journey, our hiking journey, and our 4x4 journey. And we really appreciate everybody's support and everybody's comments. It really helps us to move forward.